Welcome to Mandala Moments, a daily thought-provoking, soul-supportive moment of inspiration and love with Raven. The Fibonacci sequence turns out to be the key to understanding how nature designs and is a part of the same ubiquitous music of the spheres that builds harmony into atoms, molecules, crystals, shells, suns, and galaxies, and makes the universe sing. Written by Guy Murchie, The Seven Mysteries of Life, an exploration of science and philosophy. Everything under the sun and beyond her loving reach emanates at the mathematical frequency of 1080, or the resulting number of 9. The number of completion and a movement within another movement ad infinitum, stringing the whole of the universal flow into all that is that exists in sacred creation. Completion is just another word that leads us back into new beginnings, stretching itself forward through the spiraling frequency of change and creative living. The Fibonacci sequence is a dancing evolution of mathematical creations, allowing nature and the cosmos to breathe through the elixir of life, purpose, meaning, and blissful revelation. Everything is born from the sequence. It spawns the golden ratio that blends the yin lunar negative 1080 with the yang solar positive 666, joining as one sequence in the resulting 1162, which defines itself as the golden ratio. The waters of life and the prana of heaven are literal and metaphorical essences of spiritual energy that comprises all illuminations within all measurements of life and the temples or templates of all organic, holistic matter, allowing spiritual energy to flow within. The 1162 combined frequency of both the dark yin 1080 and the light yang 666 begins the alchemical formula that expresses its way into the spark of life's origins, its sacred temples of matter, purpose, and reason, the incredible fusion of all atmospheric and terrestrial currents within the physical plane, but also the golden ratio or Fibonacci sequence combines in perfect harmony all aspects of these forces into the birthing of all of creation on every level. The unbalanced predatory mind and its unholy worshippers of death and destruction follow in the yang 666 solar force equation, but they also live by the dark occult practices of the 1080 yin sequence, forging great satanic Luciferian magic by combining both quite cleverly, though opposing forces in the peripheral. However, if humankind rises in its greatness, understanding the Fibonacci sequence as our primary force alliance to the divine omnipotent creator, not the Bible, not the false narratives of history, and certainly not the cannon fodder of enslaved mediocre lives, but through the mastery of creation itself at its core. So from there, utilizing this profound eloquence for healing and rebuilding ourselves free by the laws and ministry of nature, we will then and only then rise to the rich purpose and the meaningful fulfillment of our lives. We are the very result of the golden ratio of divinity. We contain both the dark fertile yin, 1080, and the light rising yang, 666. By declaring these finer equations and alchemical formulations as evil, the controlling factions erased half of who we are, forging our reality to suffering. In order to reclaim our balance, we, too, must awaken ourselves to the whole code of both light and dark, judging nothing, impregnating ourselves with the fullness and wholeness of who we truly and magnificently are. Are you ready to go all the way into honoring your fertile nature? Are you willing to let go of all that you were taught as real to learn the truth of who you actually are? Free people know how to let go and reawaken the truth without hesitation nor waver. Slaves remain committed to the lies that bind them to this false matrix reality that overlays the truth matrix hidden below. Who are you then, my friend, in these multi-layered constructs and realities? Do you know? Do you truly wish to know? It is, after all, the knowledge that will set you free in this ongoing course towards change. If you like what you hear, please be sure to like this video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See in the description how you can support my channel to grow, bringing you the best content that I can. Thank you so much for visiting and for your support. This is Raven White Dove, signing out while rising in love.